The CEO of Toyota, one of the world's largest automakers, has just issued a startling warning to the entire electric vehicle industry, and it's a message that's impossible to ignore. In a time when electric vehicles are the talk of the town, this warning carries significant weight. So, what exactly did Toyota's CEO say, and why is it sending shockwaves through the EV landscape? We're here to break it all down so you can stay ahead of the curve in this dynamic industry. Toyota's CEO Koji Sato is not a big fan of electric vehicles. He's voiced reservations about how EV batteries affect the environment and whether the electrical system is ready to handle a widespread switch to electric cars. Nonetheless, international leaders are increasingly putting pressure on Toyota to quicken the research and manufacturing of EVs. Numerous countries have established dates for the phase-out of gasoline-powered vehicles, and if Toyota does not step up its efforts to produce electric vehicles, it might lag behind its rivals. Additionally, EV firms like Tesla and Rivian are becoming a bigger threat to Toyota. These businesses are creating cutting-edge new electric vehicle technology and are expanding their market share quickly. Toyota is currently promoting EVs more than it has in the past due to these reasons. The corporation has declared that it will introduce 30 new EV models by 2030 and invest $35 billion in EVs over the next 5 years. Additionally, Toyota is developing many new electric vehicle technologies, including hydrogen fuel cells and solid-state batteries. These innovations may be able to allay some of Sato's worries over electric vehicles, including those regarding the environmental effects of batteries and the vehicle's range. Akio Toyoda, the former CEO of Toyota, has frequently stated his opinion that investigating various powertrain technologies, such as hybrids, plug-in hybrids, hydrogen-powered cars, and battery electric vehicles is a comprehensive approach to moving forward. According to Toyota, there is not a single powertrain technology that works best for every consumer or every market. In addition, he expressed concern about how making and discarding EV batteries will affect the environment. Toyota is making significant investments in each of these drivetrain innovations. When it comes to plug-in and hybrid cars, the firm is already at the forefront. Additionally, it is creating BEVs and hydrogen fuel cell cars. Many experts appreciate Toyota's holistic approach to powertrain technology. They believe that a diverse mix of powertrain technologies will be necessary to achieve net zero emissions and to meet the needs of all customers and all markets. Toyota has been experimenting with ammonia, a completely novel fuel that has the potential to completely transform the automobile sector. Ammonia is a fuel that burns cleanly and can be made from renewable sources like nitrogen and hydrogen. In addition, it is biodegradable and non-toxic. They've been working on ammonia-powered engines for a while, and in 2025 they plan to launch their first car using this technology. The business thinks that ammonia-powered cars might be a more cost-effective and environmentally friendly option than electric cars. Ammonia is superior to other fuels like gasoline and diesel in a number of ways. It's less expensive to produce, has less emissions, and is more efficient. In comparison to fossil fuels, it is also a more abundant resource. Nevertheless, there are certain drawbacks to using ammonia as fuel. When ammonia is in its gaseous state, it is dangerous and should be handled with caution. Additionally, because of its corrosive nature, engines and fuel storage systems must be built using certain materials. Toyota thinks ammonia has the ability to significantly disrupt the automotive sector despite these obstacles. They may significantly affect the EV market if it is successful in bringing ammonia-powered cars to the market. While many view electric cars as the only way to achieve carbon neutrality, Toyota CEO Koji Sato has stated that carbon is the true adversary, not the kind of engine that sits on top of it. EVs are only one component of the answer, according to Sato, and we should concentrate on lowering our overall carbon emissions. Other low-carbon technologies that pique his interest include synthetic fuels and hydrogen fuel cells. Many experts agree with Sato's remarks, stating that a variety of powertrain technologies will be required to reach net zero emissions. Toyota is now promoting electric vehicles as a result of market pressures and pressure from global leaders. They must provide a complete line of EV goods if it hopes to stay competitive in the global auto market. It's also crucial to remember that Sato is not an outright opponent of EVs. Although EVs are an essential component to the solution of climate change, he stated that they should not be the only one. Other low-emission technologies like hydrogen fuel cells and synthetic fuels are also areas of interest for him. It will be interesting to watch how, under Sato's direction, Toyota's EV plan develops. Although the organization undoubtedly faces many obstacles, it's also dedicated to developing and producing EVs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay connected with our journey through the world of innovation. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more exciting insights into the world of technology and innovation.